Class 8th English, Chapter number 4.4, The Unsinkable Ship. In this video, we will see workshop. So let's start workshop. Question A. Find any 6 words from the text that have suffixes. Underline the suffix in each of them. पाठामधील प्रत्यय असणारे शब्द शोधूया. 1. Direction, ION. This is suffix. Slowly, LY. This is suffix. Unsinkable, able. Quickly, LY. Unfortunately, LY. Rapidly, LY. These are suffixes. Question 2. Read the text and answer. A. What does the word Titanic mean? Titanic शब्दाचा अर्थ काय? Titanic means huge. Titanic म्हणजे प्रचंड, मोठे. B. How many passengers did Titanic carry? Titanic मध्ये किती प्रवासी प्रवास करू शकत होते? More than 2000 passengers. 2000 पेक्षा जास्त प्रवासी. C. Why were the passengers on Titanic proud? Titanic मधील प्रवाशांना अभिमान का वाटत होता? Because they were traveling in the best ship in the world. जगातल्या सर्वात उत्तम, चांगल्या अशा जहाजामध्ये कारण ती प्रवास करत होते. D. Why did people call Titanic an unsinkable ship? लोक टायटॅनिकला न बुडणारे जहाज असे का बोलवत होते? Because they thought that it could never sink. कारण ते कधीच बुडणार नाही असे त्यांना वाटत होते. E. What did Carpathia crew find? कार्पथिया या जहाजाला काय सापडले? They found urgent messages of the Titanic asking for help. टायटॅनिक जहाजाने मागितलेल्या मदतीविषयीचे संदेश हे कार्पथिया जहाजाला भेटले. Who was the director of the film based on the Titanic's maiden voyage? टायटॅनिकच्या प्रवासावर जो पिक्चर बनवला होता, चित्रपट बनवलेला होता, त्याचा डायरेक्टर, त्याचा निर्माता कोण होता? The famous film on the Titanic's maiden voyage was made by the director James Cameron. त्या निर्मात्याचे नाव होते जेम्स कॅमेरॉन. Where did the scientists find Titanic? शास्त्रज्ञांना टायटॅनिक हे कुठे सापडले? Scientists found the ship lying in 2 pieces on the ocean floor. समुद्रात खोलवर 2 तुकडे झालेले असे टायटॅनिक शास्त्रज्ञांना सापडले. Discuss in groups of 4 and find out reasons for the sinking of Titanic. टायटॅनिक जहाज बुडण्यामागची कारणे. The side of ship scratched deep against a mountain of ice. A shower of ice on the decks and the iceberg cut holes along the ship's side. Water began to pour into the lower decks of the ship, so the Titanic began to sink. टायटॅनिक जहाज बुडण्याचे कारण म्हणजे हे जहाज एका मोठ्या उंच हिमनगाला घासले गेले होते. त्यामुळे हिमवर्षाव सुरू झाला होता त्या जहाजावर आणि त्याचप्रमाणे तळघरामध्ये पाणी जात होते. आणि हेच कारण जहाज बुडण्यासाठी ठरले. B. Effects of the sinking of Titanic. The effects of the sinking of Titanic. 1. About 1,500 people drowned with Captain Smith and his crew. 2. It made people think harder about the safety of passengers on ships. 3. They sent a submarine and found the ship lying in two pieces on the ocean floor. 4. The director James Cameron made a famous film on Titanic's maiden voyage. Question 3. Read and find words related to sea and arrange them alphabetically. पाठामधून समुद्राविषयी जे शब्द आलेले आहेत ते शोधूया आणि ते क्रमागत लावूया. शिप, सेल, voyage, ocean, lifeboats, iceberg, ice, water, sink, drown, boat, depth, surface. Now we will arrange this word in alphabetical order. Boat, depth, drown, ice, iceberg, lifeboats, ocean, sail, sink, ship, surface, and last, voyage. Question 4a. She was as tall as a building with 15 stories. Here, she, that means Titanic, is compared with a building of 15 stories. You know that when a comparison is made between two objects of different kind, it is called simile. यापूर्वी आपण सिमिली या बद्दल माहिती घेतलेली आहे. जेव्हा दोन वस्तूंची तुलना केलेली असते त्यावेळेस आणि आपण हे as याचा वापर करून दाखवतो. A simile is introduced by the word as or like या दोन शब्दांचा या ठिकाणी वापर केलेला असतो. Frame 5 of your own sentences using the construction as. Write them down in your notebook. As याचा वापर करून आपण 5 वाक्य बनवूया. Shyam is as timid as a rabbit. या ठिकाणी श्याम आणि रॅबिट यांची तुलना केलेली आहे. Her skin is as soft as butter. Skin आणि butter यांची तुलना. That person is as cunning as a fox. Person आणि fox. My father is as firm as a rock. Father आणि rock. He is as black as coal. He आणि coal. B. The Carpathia was too late to save them. Write 3 sentences of your own using the following construction 2-2. या वाक्याप्रमाणे म्हणजे टू आणि टू यांचा वापर करून आपण काही वाक्य बनवूया. Soham is too talkative to keep quiet for a single moment. Shaurya was too tired to work anymore. He is too poor to buy clothes. Swara is too good to offend anyone. I am too busy to talk to you. I am too tired to climb the steps. Question 5. Read again from 5th paragraph up to 12th paragraph. Mark the most important points. Using the points, make a summary of the incident in your own words. Using short, simple sentences, write out the summary in 12 to 15 lines. 5 ते 12 हे उतारे वाचल्यानंतर त्यातील जे महत्त्वाचे मुद्दे आहेत ते आपण काढूया. त्यानंतर त्याचा सारांश लहान आणि सोप्या अशा भाषेमध्ये लिहूया. 12 ते 15 ओळीमध्ये हा सारांश असावा. It was the night of 14th April. The sky was clear. Many of the passengers on the Titanic were asleep. Captain Smith knew that there were icebergs nearby. He told a man to keep watch from the top of ship. Suddenly he yelled, "Icebergs!" Captain Smith tried hardly to keep the Titanic away from the iceberg, but the Titanic scraped mountain of ice. Iceberg cut the holes to Titanic. Water began to pour in lower decks. Captain Smith sent urgent messages on the ship's radio asking for the help ship. The California ship was only 20 miles away, but she didn't receive the message because her radio was turned off. Another ship, Carpathia, heard the message, but unfortunately she was far away from the Titanic. At 2:30 a.m. on 15th April, Titanic was vanished into the sea. About 1,500 people drowned or died. The Carpathia reached at 3:40 a.m. and saved 700 passengers on the lifeboats. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you have any problem about this video, then don't forget to comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the notification of next video.